So you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Hold on. Did you say you're on your way?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shivi. So just hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and also turn your post notification bell on. Guys, I realize that a lot of persons are not seeing my videos, so I'm asking you, whenever I pop up or you see any of my videos, just remember to turn on your post notification bell. Maybe that's the reason why, I don't know, but YouTube just now go on with itself, and I don't know why. But guys, remember to turn on your post notification bell, that little bell. Turn it on so you can see when I post videos, because some people now get them and I don't know why. Like, I don't know why YouTube I try to hold my back, right? I'm just try to do my little thing. So I just get off the road, and yeah, I just come off of the road now. I think maybe it's around 2-3 a.m. I don't know what time it is right now. I'm not sure. I have watch my man. I don't know. Like every time I set the watch, I don't know. It has to almost 2 o'clock, but I think it's later than that. But anyways, I don't make up come out. So we're in July. Yes, we're in July, and my sister's birthday is just in a couple of days. And maybe I ask girl what she want for her birthday for the longest while. She don't know. I ask her what she do. She don't know nothing. And I say, you don't know, me don't know, I'm just gonna get you something. But I realized that she doesn't have anything from Pandora, so I say, alright, you know what, I get her something from Pandora. So I bought her a bracelet and a charm. Yeah, I buy a bracelet and a charm, because I've not seen it. I not see her really wear jewelry like that. So I say, you know what, I think this is gonna be like the perfect gift, knowing that you say you don't want nothing. And she said she don't know what she gonna do. So I'm sorry, then cool. A Pandora charm and a bracelet, and I got the adjustable, something like this. So I get her something exactly like this. I'm gonna get her one bracelet. Yeah, I'm gonna get her the bracelet like this. I'm gonna get her one charm with it's a silver charm. So the bracelet is silver. The charm is silver also, with with pink. I think it engraved happy birthday. So it's in pink and it engraved happy birthday. So I picked up the package like a few days ago, and I'm gonna do the unboxing. So because what I did was I also purchased like one of those cute little gift box. Yeah, so you know, you can do that. So for people who already know, you can purchase like cute gift box on the website. So I did that so I can unwrap it out of the shipping box. So I'm gonna put it in the cute gift box, and then I'm gonna put it in one gift bag. You know, coming on and she see it, she say she gonna say, yeah, Pandora, you know. I'm gonna put it in one gift bag also, so when she unwrap it, she can say, oh, it's a Pandora, you know, that kind of vibe. So that may work with. So I just reach home, yeah, we check. I'm so cute. So I just reach home, so I just put up the camera upon the stand, so I can do the unwrapping, so I can see it outside. Come I have to take it out. Come I can't not gear in the box like that. So I want to take it out, put it in a cute little, you know, gift bag to make it all cute and girly. Cause it's my birthday, you know. So you know, give it a little razzle dazzle. Yeah. So just give me a few. Must come back. So guys, so this is the shipping box that the Pandora comes in. So I'm gonna get some stuffing. A stuffing them call it, the little stuffing paper that you can just put on top. So I'm gonna get these, and I buy this cute gift bag. Yeah, I think it's cute. Yes, so I'm gonna go down in it now. I'll pull it and see how. Lord. Let me see. Alright. Oh. Alright, so this I have on all of my information. Yeah, all of my information this I have on. So yeah. So all of the information, everything is on here. Alright, so let me show you. So this is the gift box that I purchased separate. Right, so this is the gift box, and it comes with a little ribbon that I can, so it opens like this, and it comes with the ribbon that I can place over it. So I think it's cute. I know it's cute. So this is a perfect gift. I'm gonna love the box. So this is it, and it comes with this now. So this is the regular gift box that it's going to come with. So if you don't purchase this is gonna come with. And then this is the box. This is the gift bag. So this is the gift bag. The Pandora girl, them know how the gift bag look. So this is the gift bag. Let me see if you can hold in this. Let me see. Let me test it out from now. See it will perfect. So alright, so that aside. Alright, so this is the gift box. Alright, so I want to bring it up a little closer so I can see it. Alright, me come show you. So this is the charm. I want to see the bracelet. Look. So I don't need to pull it out. So when I see it good. So it's like the regular one like this. And but when I had to lie, you know, my dear, the charm them expensive. It's even full of this, but I don't know it will go, you know. I don't know it will go because I have five charms. I have on this right now, and I bought over 300 USD just for the 5 of them. Not one, not two, not three, 5 of them. I don't know when I'm gonna finish full them off, but I'm just step like a time one by one, you know, and do it that way there. I have the gold one, and guys, I'm going to charm upon it. I don't know when I go get a third or fourth or fifth one, cause the gold one them not even see nothing. The gold one them expensive. That's why I realize a lot of people will have the silver one than the gold one because I charm them expensive bad, and it's just the truth. They're so expensive. But other bracelet this, and showing a close up the charm. I think the charm, let's show. So this is the charm. So it have happy birthday in there. Pretty cute. Alright, so I'm showing you what I'm gonna do now. So can't hold it. Oh, it can't hold in there, guys. So I'm gonna do what that thing then. Okay, this is it. Oh, alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in this. Oh, I'm gonna put it inside. Close it up. I mean, I said it now can't hold in there, you know, but it can't hold after all. So cute, see. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, so I'm gonna write happy birthday and get a little card where you can, and you have a little envelope You can write whatever you want to write on it and put it inside. So I'm gonna write happy birthday and the word shenanigan and put it inside. You know? You know where you have to go with yourself. You don't know the thing go. So I'm gonna write whatever it is and then I'm gonna put it inside. So I'll put this in here. Right? And then put it. And then this now, see? Perfect. Perfect. So yeah, our husband not even do remember, our husband also get her something. I can't pull this because I'm not from me. You get me? I can't show no. But he got her something. But you know what, buy that me I feel buy it because you know what she know. So I get her something and you know she go get it on the day because girl and what keep. So that's from Ozzy. Yeah, so what am I gonna do now? Oh no, I'm gonna just find a little way to put this inside of this. You don't need to be cute. You just basically try to add whatever inside to your person. Not see it before. You don't want the time when it's full. You just add. Cause why you wanna be nosy? Why you want to be nosy? I'm not trying it. You still don't love. I don't need to try to inside it. So I'm just trying to add it a bit. You know they want peep and stuff. I say, So I don't know, maybe get it out, but just I'll try to get it out later. So this now I'm gonna stuff it in a Ozzy gift bag when we get here. Stinking cute.
Glad you love it.
Yeah, that is it. And guys, as always, thanks for watching.